Okay, watching 50 right here, a blow through 50, I should get filled. It's a high volume node. You can see, I could just say, all right, we'll take 50 and oh, come on. Good, we got it. Okay, and it immediately turned profitable. You see that? You see that, guys? That is how you trade MQ. Let it come to you. It will, if it's a good trade, it will do that. The second you fill, it will turn profitable. And so, again, this is perfect to swarm. I had the right spot. 50 is a really good spot, but it's still right there. So we got to go higher to scale into it. But that was a great spot to play, as illustrated by the fact that it worked so fast. I mean, I was in that trade for 2 seconds, literally. That's the elapsed time in that trade. Okay, this is another good spot. I'm going to take one at the market there. So that should fill. There it goes. Okay, now we can swarm this puppy nicely. So let's get some more up here. Oh, perfect. There's stops run. Got it. Okay, I had to chase it though. Okay, gonna take one more up there on that. Scoot one of those up. Let's push the range a bit. Okay, so now we've got 4. Take profits fast. There's 1 off. There's 2 off. There's 3 off. Protect the last one and see if we can trail it down. Probably won't be able to. Oh, yeah, cool. The bottom fell out at 50. Love it. Okay, look at that. 61 short. Took profits at 52. Nice 10-pointer. That is what I was hoping to be able to show you guys today, except I'm not swarming it. I'm just scalping it with 1 lots or 2 lots, or what was that, a 3 lot. Just not getting enough to swarm. I got to get up here, and I'm just not. So but this is perfectly symmetrical, which makes me want to fade the pushes up in NQ over and over again. There's no indication that this is a market that wants to rally. Look at YM. It's at its low. RTY is right smack in the middle of its range. This is a fade NQ market. No question about that. But you got to do it at the right spot. We're getting there. That's the first spot I would fade right there. Let's get some new volume. Let it squirt up and get me here. This is a good spot. That right there is the spot I faded last time. And then it should at least squirt up here. On one of these squirts up, I should at least get a fill there and hopefully get the rest of these too. There we go. We got the first one. Okay, let's get a target in. We got the second one. Let's get another target in. We should get a couple more here. Okay, and again, just back to the value area will give us a nice little profit on this little 2-3 lot here. Boom, there it is. And we'll take another one off. Come on. Okay, and now I'll protect the last one. Perfect. Oh, right there. That's the way to trade it. We're making some really good videos lately of trading execution, JVC. That one Monday was awesome. And this one, look at this. So I don't look for runners, but I have one. I'm short 63. We're trading 53. I'm protecting it, but I'm giving it some room. I'm trying to let it, stay below this volume. If it taps back up there, I'll probably get filled, and I want to because it'll go back up to the next volume. But in the meantime, I can kind of chase the high volume areas down. Michael, I hope you're watching this. This is really important for you. Also, David, both of you guys. Okay. Again, I'm going to continue to protect this to the nearest high volume node. Now there's one below me and there's one I'm right on the next one. If it gets below this one, I'll scoot down to this one like that. Okay, now that's the next spot. So I'm pulling out incremental profits each time I do that. Okay, so that was a 3 lot and we made $50 on it. Again, it doesn't sound like a lot, but it adds up. You've seen it. I posted the trades. Trying to do this in NQ, I'd be just taking way too much heat. I wouldn't have the opportunity to scale as much without potentially blowing up the account. And micros just give you so much flexibility. And it's just so much more fun not to say, oh, it's got to hold 61 or I'm going to have to get out of the way. I can short 61 and I can short 65 and 67. I love it. Let it come up here and get me at 70. That's perfect. That's what I want to happen. So, okay, double price rejector again. Okay, we should blow this high right now. There it goes. Okay, and again, just watch for the trade back down to the volume. That's where you want to take your first chunk off. And it's right here, 63, the place I started scaling. Leave one on down there. Try to add more further up. And again, trade back to the value area is really common, but the value area could move up because we're making volume up here. So, that's not a hard line. That's a percentage and it changes quickly. Okay, boom, there's the first 2 off. Protect it. See if we can get down there again. Watch the high volume node. There we go. Now we can skirt down. Oh, this is such good action. And again, trade to the nearest high volume. There's one below me now. It's going to come up and get me. Protect the last contract. Boom, we're out. Okay. God, I'm so psyched because, with all the power and internet issues I've had, I feel like I haven't been providing good material since yesterday. But Monday we had a great session, and this one is just perfect. Could not ask for better NQ movement and examples of what I'm trying to show you about, where to play, where to take profits. Okay, it is 7:22. We will wait till the bottom of the hour, which is the initial balance, and then we will wrap up after that. I'm so stoked. Here we go. Now we're gonna do exactly what I was saying I wanted to fade. Go get me. Come on, let's bring one closer here, just in case it doesn't go through there. It should go. Boom. Okay, we got it. All right, that's what we want to see. Now let's see if we can get another one up there. I'm gonna take one at the market, just because it's a great setup here. And this is what I want to see: range extension, and now I have a nice target to go back to here. We're pushing up, and this is perfect. So let's see if we can get another one. I'll take up to 10 or 20 up here. So 80. Remember, 80 is the sweet spot. Let's see if we can get up there. Meanwhile, every time I get filled, I throw in a target. Always take profits. I've got a 4 lot, 1 potential runner, 3 quick profit takes. Perfect swarming technique. This is a small swarm. I've only got 4, but I'm trying to show small and big swarms. To do a big swarm, it needs to get higher up, and then I'll scale up more into it. Okay, that's a spot. Take another one right there. Again, watch the volume nodes. It's above that one. It's trying. This, I should be able to get these guys off pretty fast, but these will probably fill as well. So let's scoot back up here. We'll take that one. We'll take a lot more up there. 75, 78. That's good. There we go. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, we got filled on. Come on. There we go. Okay, now we can protect that and see if we can get back down here. If not, we'll just, again, watch the high volume node. Nope, couldn't get it, but I had a nice profit there. I scaled fast, took profits fast. That's another $32. I'll take it. And we were in that trade for a minute 12. Okay, here we go. We're going to break the ledge again. Notice how nobody else is ledge breaking. That's the reason you want to fade this. But, it's not even up 1%. So NQ can go a whole long distance fast. Be careful. Okay, I'm going to take one more there. Let's see, this could give me, that's the high volume there. It's probably going to pause there. So we'll take the first one off there. And here it comes. Come on. There we go. Okay, one off. Protect the other one. See if we caught a runner. Perfect. For this, God, I've gotten 3 runners now in a row. This is a 10-pointer. Love it. The value area high is the target. It might go farther, but boom. Okay, there we go. God, this is so much fun, guys. We are, let's see, what are we up? We are up $405 this morning between the 2 accounts, just with this shit. Oh, giggle. We're going to blow this ledge again. Missed me by 2 ticks that time. Okay, I think we're still going to go up here, but remember, that's the top of the range right there, and it gets sold really aggressively, but we're not pulling back much. Cool, okay. Ooh, nice. I got filled on a puke up. Look at that, perfect. That's what you want to do. Remember, I had those orders resting up there. They got filled. So let it come to you. Wait for it. Remember 80? That was the top of the range. We overshot it a bit and then traded right back into the range.